Hey guys, it's Rex Fix. Today we're gonna fix this Dodge Charger for my friend Jruzz. So we removed the lower arm and the control arms because they're totally damaged. So now, and here's the car. And I got the parts already. Everything taken down. Come on, let's do this. So here are the broken bush parts and arms and control. And we put it and installed it. Now we're gonna take it down and test drive it. And now we're gonna take this car for a spin. Yeah, car drives well, still good. Car's good. Okay, let's go for delivery. Hey guys, so now I got my friend's car Jruzz here. So we're gonna fix whatever it's needed. And let's do this. So now we're gonna check the issue. We're going down underneath because the issue is this. There's some moisture of gas around here, so that's why upon the inspection they said there's a petrol or gasoline leak. So we'll change these clamps and change this hose, and we'll save money without changing the entire fuel tank. Okay. And now we started the engine. And now let's check it. What we're gonna do now is we will just make a full car wash, under wash on this car before taking it to RTA inspection again. So far so good. It looks good. There you go, I found this car. Same like it. I hope it has what I need. Fuck, the steering is gone. Where's that shit? Where's that indicator? I need that. See that accident? The guy told me that it's fucking smashed.
وهذا نشوف ساعة هذا كنا نشتري لاسنا 13 نفس الشيء. أنا شوف ساعة 4 أوكي؟ أنا فبريت.
No, you check this 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You check here, 6.
So now I removed the old one and we got the used one and already installed it and it's working well. So let's try the signal. Perfectly clicking good. So there you go, I got parts from the used parts somewhere here in Dubai, UAE, not UAE, Sharjah. And luckily there's an accident Dodge here, so I got it. And I got a couple more parts.
Yellow go.
And yeah, I'll go. So, ito na yung napalitan. Ito na yung sirang driver.